Are you tired of sleepless nights due to snoring? Snoring occurs when air struggles to flow through the nose and throat. But don't worry, there are simple fixes. Try sleeping on your side instead of your back. Avoid alcohol before bedtime. Maintaining a healthy weight can also help reduce snoring. But what if snoring persists? Feeling tired during the day could signal sleep apnea. It's essential to consult a doctor. Remember, a good night's sleep is vital for your health. Simple lifestyle changes can lead to restful nights. Prioritize your sleep for better overall well-being. Share these tips with someone who snores. Together, you can find solutions for better sleep. Subscribe for more tips on restful nights. Sleep is essential for a healthy life. Take action now for a better tomorrow. Your journey to restful sleep starts today.